Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Kali channel. This is your boy Kali, and today I just wanna break down how my trading went. It's already night. It's Asian section right now, and the market have cooled off. And I thought I would share how the whole day played out. So today I only took 4 trades in total, but here the thing. Out of the four, one of them was actually I scale up the trade. It's actually like 3 trades, so I ended up scaling the other trade, which it ended up to be a losing trade. So some setups just I re-entered after getting stopped. So technically it was the same idea, I just executed twice. So the trade didn't work out, ended up taking 1% loss on the day. Not stressed though. I felt like I was going to end the day with 1% loss, but I ended up getting another setup which is very clean. I ended up making 3%, sorry, 2% on the setup. I risked 0.5 and went for 4 hour and ended up hitting the take profits. So it was overall a good trade. Another one is I took a trade also on German 30 again in the New York section. It was a buy trade, and the trade went almost to 1 to 3 and then it ended up taking me at a break even, almost like I ended up getting out at one, which is like $250. So I'm almost like $51,000 right now on the new challenge account. So guys, I'll be documenting everything, and to be honest, I didn't overtrade, I didn't force anything, just focused on my setup, stay patient and let the market do its thing. I'm really proud of how I managed risk today, and losses happen, but the key is to keep your cool and stick to the plan. The 1% loss didn't like shake me. I didn't ended up over trading or being greedy and all that. I did not do all that stuff, so I just ended up waiting for a perfect setup. I ended up making the 4 hour, which is $1,000. So I know, like, I usually lose more than what I make, so that's why I go for high IR. Like I can lose like 3 trades in a row, but one trade can cover for me all the losses, because my risk management is $250. I always risk like $250 unless I see the trade is A plus setup and I'm already in profit. I can maybe put that position in break even, then I can scale up with another position, which I did usually today. Like that's what happened, but I did not put on break even. So I was so confident with that setup. It was going to TP, and actually everything was okay. It's just the news wicked me out, and it ended up going to my direction. But I ended up catching the trade again after some retracement to the Fibonacci 50%, and which is pretty cool. And I say, like, overall it was a very good day. Yo, what's up, traders? Just a quick update from the week. So yesterday was Tuesday. I had some problem with my PC. I actually screen recorded my trace, but unfortunately there was no sound, and so I could not record a proper breakdown. So, anyways, guys, I ended up the day Tuesday yesterday. It was So I ended up with a loss 2%. So I took a trade on German 30, then lost 1%. Then I took another setup. It was an A plus setup actually. Everything was valid, but I got stopped out. So it was news. Which stopped me out, and I scaled up actually on that trade. So I ended up losing 2%, and it was a very bad day. I over leveraged my trade. So it was actually, I took the trade without knowing that there's a news dropping at 9:30 New York time, and I had scared I just scared in the position, and my stop loss was a bit tight, so I got smoked out. So it's just something, losses are guaranteed so in trading, so it's not something this probably trade here. So today, guys, is Wednesday. I mark up on Nasdaq in the morning. I had a clean setup, but as you can see, like I was not around my computer, so I missed it. And then I took a few trades on German 30 again. I was expecting a bullish price action here in German 30. So especially after Trump mentioned that Israel and Iran are reaching an agreement. So I was looking, for a bullish narrative in the market. So I was like pretty sure, like I had a bullish bias in my mind in the morning. So I had my draw on liquidity here, so you guys can see here. So this was my draw on liquidity in the morning on German 30. This draw on liquidity and this previous day's high. So, but honestly, guys, I actually forced trades today. It turned out to be a bit of revenge trading. I'm not gonna lie, because actually in the morning I was expecting the price to use this FFG as just like this bearish FFG as a support area, so that maybe it can go up, then use this as a support, and then goes and takes out this drawn liquidity. Actually took a trade and then I closed the trade too fast, which was really good. I lost under like 0.1, something like that. I took a buy here. I took a buy around this area here. It was out of my trading time actually. So in the morning after we took the Asian low, the London low, and then the previous day's New York PM low here. So I was expecting the price to go up, honestly. So I kind of forced some trades here. As you can see, I took this trade here. So what happened is I kind of like wanted to scale up here. So again, I took another trade here. Yeah, so I took another trade here. This was around the New York AM low at 9:30. Yeah, so at 9:30 I took another trade here. So what happened is I took the trade and it actually went up here. So I scaled up on the trade another 0.5%, and I got stopped out at the end. As you guys can see, it took a very long time. So it's been a very bad day. So I don't know what to say, guys. Yeah, I'll let you guys know the other trades I'm going to take tomorrow. So what I'm going to do honestly is I'm going to reduce the amount of the stress I'm going to take. I've been journaling, so maybe just like move on, maybe reduce the amount of the stress and reduce the leverage. So yeah, meet you guys tomorrow. So guys, it's a new session. The market just open right now. By the way, okay. You're welcome back, guys. Today's Saturday, so today's day, and it's a new session right now. I took one trade in the morning. I used that trade, which was a break even, and actually, price. I took the trade around this area, so price went full TP, but it's still me at break even. Yeah, so bad. So right now I'm in USDT sales. I don't know if we call it TP, so it looks good. So here I just news took out this 15-minute higher time frame high. As you can see, the previous 9th New York PM high, the New York PM high. So after taking the New York PM high and change of character, I think price is gonna go down. So of course we invest. Sorry, we respected this fair value gap here. So I'm in this trade. We'll see TP or stop loss. So I'm taking my TP down here. So like as you guys can see, this low here, this news low. This was a low we had in the front section, the open, the open of the market. So it looks good so far, guys. I don't know. And let me see. So guys, I'm going break even right now because as you know, I'm scalping. So we're doing this to break even. Yep. I'm just leaving it here. So we'll see. There is 1 to 4. So you may hit TP. The price, like when I opened S&P 500 and I saw what's going on, and I saw this S&P down here and price has started to like I think daily FFG on S&P, and I thought like this trade is going to recover something. So according to my strategy, like from backtesting, I just like whenever I trade the US 30, I compare to the S&P 500, and I'm convinced to call this trade too early. Like I was like 400 or 300 bucks like a profit, so it's not bad. I secured some profit. I hit my TP1, so I closed some partial, so it's not bad. I ended up the trade for the day. So I think this will be my last trade for the day, and I am up 0.5%, which is not bad. Break even day, I did not lose anything. So yeah, it's a pretty much good day. So we'll see tomorrow. We can come and make back the money we lost the day before yesterday. So yep, it will be pretty good. So yeah, this is all I have for today. Today's Saturday, guys. This is the only trade I took. One trade. Pretty much like two break even trades because I took one US30 trade in the London section. I was actually up 1.5%. Like guys, I did not close the trade, and then news came out. I was stopped out. So it is what it is. So yeah. We're good for the day, guys. So bye. We meet tomorrow, Friday. I think tomorrow we have some news and we're going to have some volatility in the market. So hope we'll make some bucks tomorrow. Yeah. Bye bye. Hey guys, quick update today. Today's this is a trade I took on Friday. Sorry, it's today's already Saturday, so I didn't record the video yesterday because my PC has some problem. So this I took a trade on Nasdaq and it was a profitable day. So took a 1 to 3 hour trade. So I took the trade from the higher time frame when price came to my POI and then tapped to fair value gap. As you guys can see on the 1 hour time frame, I had some POI I mark on the 4 hour, and then after price tap into the POI here, then I scale down to the low time frame. So it was at 9:30 a.m. open New York time. So when the market opened, wait, let me delete the trade here actually. So guys, as you guys can see on the 5 minute time frame, the price came to this favorable gap and it did not hold. Price went through, but it did not close. So the candle did not close below the favorable gap. So it ended up just drawing a week down, so it came up. So as you guys can see here, I had an SMT but price took out this low here, and then on S&P price did not take that low, so it's an no money divergence. So I waited patiently for more confirmation. I didn't just enter because I saw an SMT. Of course, I had to wait. So after waiting, after being patient and waiting for more confirmation until I got a change of character. So after getting a change of character, as you guys can see here, uh, my network is a bit slow. So back after price with the London low and tap to a higher time frame POI as you look at the fair value gap, the bullish fair value gap. At first price was as gave me a small change of character here. As you guys can see, I was not fulfilled with this change of character. It's not a type of change of character that I usually enter with. But if you guys can see here, this fair value gap price is holding this fair value gap here. If you guys, as you guys can see here, so I was expecting price to go bullish inside SMT and then sweep of the London low and then higher time frame tap into the higher time frame fair value gap, the bullish fair value gap. So price came here, I respected as I wanted. I wanted this type of movement. As you guys can see, price came here, so tap to the fair value gap. It came here, gave me a very nice breakout structure here. Then again, it came back to the fair value gap. That's where I executed the trade. Then it just continued going uh, bullish for the day. So guys, it was a very nice one. Alhamdulillah, it went straight to my TP, a nice 1 to 3 trace, and right after hitting my TP, it completely reversed. So like that's a perfect timing, you know. I wanted to record the video yesterday, but unfortunately my recording did not save the video. I thought I saved the video, but in the morning when I checked to edit the video, I did not find the video. So it was actually a very nice day. I was actually down around 4% on my 50K account challenge, about 2,000 on 50K account. Yeah, 4% around $2,000. So in drawdown, but after this trade, this Nasdaq trade, I ended up making 1,000 equal 2% profit. So right now I'm down 2% for the